Welcome to Quiz Rad. Think you've got what it takes to be a real chef? Try to answer all 30 questions without missing a single one. Only 1% of viewers can score a perfect chef score. Ready to prove you belong in the kitchen? Let's start. What ingredient makes bread rise? Yeast. Without yeast, your dough would stay as flat as a pancake. Which country is famous for sushi? Japan. What type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains? Orzo. Which spice is made from dried flower buds? Clove. What's the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits in many countries? Mango. What's the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas. Which cheese is traditionally used on pizza? Mozzarella. What is the national dish of England? Fish and chips. Would you rather master Italian cuisine or Japanese cuisine? Like the video if you like Italian cuisine, and subscribe to the channel if you like Japanese cuisine. What is tofu made from? Soybeans. What gives curry its yellow color? Turmeric. What's the main ingredient in risotto? Rice. Which herb is commonly used to make pesto? Basil. What is traditionally wrapped in nori seaweed? Sushi. Which cooking method uses steam to cook food? Steaming. Which country invented pasta? Italy. What's the main ingredient in a meringue? Egg whites. Which dessert is made from layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone? Tiramisu. Pick one, kick one. Pizza or burger? Like the video if you are a pizza lover. Subscribe to the channel if burger is your favorite. What type of pastry is used in croissants? Puff pastry. What's the main ingredient in gazpacho? Tomato. Which of these is not a type of mushroom? Frittata. Which nut is used to make marzipan? Almond. What is the main ingredient in miso soup? Soybean paste. What type of sugar is commonly used in baking cookies? Brown sugar. What is the term al dente used to describe? Cooked pasta. Which fruit is used to make wine? Grapes. Which vegetable is also known as an aubergine? Eggplant. What gives chili peppers their spicy heat? Capsaicin. How many questions did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Click the right video for an emoji quiz. Click the left video for an exciting trivia quiz.